Hey, do you want to learn how to use Google VO3 to generate AI video with sound? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. In order to use Google VO3, we need to upgrade to Google One plan, which has this Gemini Pro in it. And so they say here, I've got this email, you can try VO3 fast in Pro. All right, so I'm going to do it live on this video. I'm going to click here on sign up. And then it's going to take us over to get Gemini Pro and more with Google AI plan. It's going to be $0 for 1 month. And then after that, you need to pay for it. It includes all this inside the Google One subscription. So let's click here on get offer. Next, you need to add a card. Here, I've already added one. Then click on subscribe. We have successfully subscribed to Google One subscription. I'll click over here and you've got Gemini Pro and more. You need to go over here on gemini.google.com. I was trying it out and I saw that you can just generate with VO2. Why is that? Because in my email, I got that you can try with VO3. And then I found out that it's because I'm not in United States. All right. So what you need to do is use a VPN. You can use any VPN that you want. You also can get the VPN by using Opera web browser. In Opera browser, they've got this VPN here. You can click on it and then you can use America's region in it. It's a free VPN that's available inside and integrated in Opera web browser. So what I'm going to do is refresh this page. Now you're going to find at the bottom, if I hover on it, the video section, it says generate with VO3. And I think that you can generate 2 videos per day with the VO3. So let's click here and use the same prompt. But this time I'm also going to add a dinosaur in the scene. So create a scene in 1985 with the dinosaur. So let's click here to submit it. And let's see what it generates. I'm excited to try out VO3, but VO3's plan is too expensive. So I was excited to see that you can now generate VO3, even though it's just 2 videos per day. It's still great to see that I can do it with the trial plan. And there you go. Our video is ready with Google VO3. Let's take a look at it and listen to the sounds, etc. in it. All right, that looks really good. If you want, you can do a redo as well, but I think it's going to take in one more of this and I will not be able to generate another again for today. So what I'm going to do is describe another video prompt here. Something like this, a modern concert in space with aliens. Let's check it out what it generates. All right, our second video is ready. Let's take a look at it.
We are the Cosmic Sound Waves, and this next one is for all our fans across the galaxy.
All right, it looks amazing. Sounds great as well. And now you can see here on the bottom, it says you've reached your video generation limit until June 20th, 11 a.m. So yeah, every day you can generate up to 2 videos with VO3. And that's it. That's how to access and use VO3 by Google. I hope this video helped solve a problem. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. Also on the right hand side, you're going to find more Google and other AI related tutorials. So see you there and bye for now.